All right, this is Jose Covarrubias for CIT 336, and I will talk about HTML forms and the type of elements and attributes that we can use to submit and hide information. I will start off with the syntax or how the submit type is used. As you can see in this script taken from w3schools.com, we can see that the form has, let me go back just one more, has a action element which will direct the values collected on this form into the action page.php, something that we've been kind of testing and doing on the last assignments. So you see it has text fields where data would be stored. In this case, they are predefined with the values with Mickey Mouse, first and last name. And at the bottom, it has another input type, and this one is the submit. What it does is when you click on the button that is created with this type of element, the function or the form in obviously the browser identifies that this action or this element will transfer over the values into the form and the action and direct them into whether it be the database or directly to the web page. With hide is something similar. In this case, obviously the input type is hidden, and then what it does is the values predefined are not showing in the web page at first sight. However, they can be visible with the inspect elements when you check the source of the code or the script for the web page, which also it's indicated that we should not use that as a security measure, indicated by the comments on w3schools.com. It's just a simple reference for the values that are predefined to not showing on the web page. I think the best way to showcase this is actually on the web page, demonstrating how these attributes work. So here we have the submit element, and like I said, the predefined values are located here. We can see them here, and when you hit submit, because this is encased in a form tag, everything inside is taken as part of the form, obviously. And so the submit type will tell the browser that these values will be passed down. And this is what it actually does. So when you hit submit, this has gone to the database, something that we will see and we will manipulate in further assignments, I believe, in this class. So we can see the first name Mickey and last name Mouse had been passed. Something you can try here is what if I change this and do it to the input type of hide, of hidden? See what look at what happened. So if I run it again, this one disappeared. It's no longer there, although it's still there, because if I hit submit, you can see that still shows up. It was just not there because I hide the value. And so the example with hide, as you can tell, it's very simple, which is to what I just did. In this case, if I do here my name, and we can see that the first input where I put my name has a text attribute, and there is another input value that is hidden, as we can see here. So if I hit submit, it has taken my name and it has added the predefined value. So that's how hidden and submit work. I hope this helps and gives you guys ideas on how to use it. And thank you.